Okay, so we've got a couple things we need to take care of today. This dishwasher here is an old dishwasher, and we're gonna have to disconnect the power there. And we've got the water to disconnect here. We've also, probably because I shut off this closest valve is the line to the dishwasher. The one in the back is the cold line, and this one right here to the left is the hot line, and that other one is just for decoration. There's a board that goes over top, and that's, I guess, the indication to let you know that the shut-offs are underneath it. So we're gonna have to, I guess, get this taken care of. Alright, so first thing you probably want to do is get yourself a voltage tester. Make sure that you're not going to get electrocuted by touching the wrong wire. So, the black one, as you see, it's just blinking normal. But when you put it on this one, which is the hot line, lights up. So, we're going to shut off the power before we do anything, but it's good to know, which one's which. And then the other connection is the water. Of course, we're going to have to disconnect that. And, yeah, let's do that. Okay, shut off the valve there to water supply right into the dishwasher. Now I'm going to disconnect this. Try not to get way too much. We're going to get the the dishwasher out of the slot. Next is the washing machine. As you see, we got the old one out on the porch right there with the older dryer. We dispose of new one of these. There's the connection down here. Oh, there's that connection right there. And there's a leak along that line. As you see, there's a little bit of water down there. So I have to find where the leak is. I believe this valve heading towards this direction to the dishwasher is got an issue, so we're going to remove it on the other side. Check it out, put it back. It needs a new valve is what I'm figuring, so we're probably just going to replace the valve. So after we get that worked out, the angle that it connects here is different. The other one, this was faced downward, so there's going to be a little bit of change. It's not going to be a big deal though. And electrical, of course, is over there, same side as the old dryer, so shouldn't have any issues there. So we'll get on that, I guess, next. All right, got the valve out, and had to upgrade from that little heat plate to a larger piece of steel. Wiggle it underneath there, and it works much better if you start kind of focusing on the bottom. Heat rises sort of routine. And then now I got to clean it up and get it ready for all the fittings to come back in. This pipe right here is my hot line coming in. Unfortunately, I can't solder it in the position it's in. So I'm going to have to lift it up, or take it out is basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut a hole in this pipe. I'm going to put one of those shark, we're going to cut this and put one of those shark quick fits in between, and it'll also lift it up. So if we have to mess with it again, hopefully we won't have to take out the all of it. So yeah. And a tip, if you can, while working under your house, string up some lights It is a big help. Small pipe cutter, because that was what would fit up there, to cut the pipe, put it on, and then you just, you turn it a few times, tighten it down, turn it a few times, tighten it down. Went pretty smooth, no problems. So now we're going to go upstairs and pull it out and see what we can do on the bench. Cut the pipe under the house. As you see, this is free. I have to disconnect this hose over here to the hot so I can actually get it out, and then we'll take it out to the bench and go from there. So, clean it up a little bit. There's still some solder on there. I'm going to hit it with some fire, and hopefully it'll either assist or melt off, and we'll go from there. Alright, not the prettiest. Soldered, and there's water in the pipe. It's not spilling out. There's no wet spot, so I'm assuming it's good. I guess if I get pressure to it and it blows, then we'll know it is not. Let that bad boy back down in there. I'm going to take this. Is a slip fit. So we're going to slip it in. This right here says slip end. So you slide it all the way down to this point. You gotta make sure to mark the other end that you're putting that into. I guess it really doesn't matter which end. I guess I got more pipe on the top part, so I'll probably use that as a slip end. And the other pipe will only go to this rib right here. Oh yeah, need some light there. Slip fit is on. Okay, so we, as you see, rose the pipe up higher than it was. We changed out those fittings because they were a little cruddy looking on the interior, so we just got some fresh ones. So, got the water back on, and everything's holding. All that's left now is to wire it up, and we got that ready. It's obviously higher, so we're going to take that bad boy, which is the other end attached to the dishwasher, and tighten that bad boy down. Then we'll have the water supply, but first we're going to wire this up. Well, dishwasher is functioning properly. The pipes are not leaking anywhere. That's the connections down there. These connections here, which is good. Makes me happy. Anyway, DIY plumbing is the biggest pain in the ass I've had all week. Think twice about doing it yourself. Though you probably can.